I'm Lucy here at AO. Rumour has it that loading the dishwasher is probably the top cause of domestic arguments, so let's tidy this up once and for all. This is an example of how not to load your dishwasher. There's bowls upside down, glasses on the side, all the cutlery is bunched on top of each other. Nothing's stacked orderly. Big items on the top, they don't belong there, they need to be down here. Everything's on top of each other, so there's no space for the water to come through and actually clean your dishes. Stacking the dishwasher properly isn't just about keeping the peace at home. It saves water, it saves energy, and it keeps the dishes and the appliance from getting damaged. So here are the top 5 smart stacking tips to get the best clean every time. Tip number 1, give the spray arms room to work. The spray arms have tiny holes in them that hot soapy water comes out from, and if these are blocked or they can't spin, nothing's going to get cleaned. Direct all the dishes towards the spray arms so that the water can reach them. Rack placement matters. The top rack is for glasses, mugs, bowls, and any special glassware like wine glasses, and then the bottom rack is for bigger, heavier items like plates and pots and pans. Some modern dishwashers have adjustable trays which you can raise or lower so you can fit everything in. Angles are everything. Don't overload and leave a little bit of space between each item. If your dishwasher has a basket for your cutlery, mix up your knives, forks and spoons so that they all don't get bunched together. If yours has a tray like this one, make sure the items are separated. Knives should always be placed sharp side down for safety. Glasses and bowls should be angled down so that they don't fill with water. The pre-rinse myth. There is no need to pre-rinse. Modern dishwashers and detergents are designed for scraped, not pre-washed dishes. Just remove the big bits of food because the enzymes in the detergent work better with a little bit of residue. It's energy efficient, so you save water and your time. Using the right program will make all the difference to your wash. And most dishwashers will have a similar set of cycles. There'll be a normal wash, an eco wash, an intense wash for those heavier soiled items, and usually a quick wash as well. You want to match the cycle to the mess. And that's it. Follow these tips and then the only thing you'll have left to argue about is whose turn it is to unload. Once you know how to load the dishwasher properly, it's really simple. Small changes mean better results every time.